Dresden Branch of the Chatham-Kent Public Library, and today we are unboxing a ukulele kit. CKPL has lots of different ukulele kits. I'm going to show you all the wonderful things that are inside. I love the ukulele and I use it a lot in my story times because it's very easy to learn. So today, after we take a look at the fantastic things that are inside, I'm going to show you how to play a song. So when you're finished watching this video, you can go on our website, search.ckpl.ca, and you can request a ukulele kit. Let's take a peek of what's inside. So not only is there one ukulele in here, there's actually four. So your whole family or your friends could play the ukulele all together. So what's also in our awesome ukulele box are books, of course, of how to learn to play the ukulele. These ones are fantastic because there's lots of pictures that show you exactly what the different chords look like. So let's go ahead and open one. So I have my ukulele case. I have my ukulele, and the other really important thing that's in this kit is a ukulele tuner. This ukulele tuner tells us if the ukulele is in tune, because that's really important because you want it to sound nice. So when you take out or unbox your ukulele from the kit, you want to take your tuner and put it on the end of your ukulele. You're going to push the button and then you're going to start to strum. So I have 4 strings on my ukulele, and it's Good Children Eat Apples. So the top string is G. So you want to click that or play that G till your tuner says G right in the middle. And if it's not, you would adjust these pegs to get it to the right note. So the next one is Children, so we want it to go to C. The next one is E. And my last one is A. So good children eat apples. So that's what it sounds like when it's in tune. So my ukulele has different parts. There is the end part. And this is a really important part because this is where all of the tuning pegs are to make sure that your ukulele is in tune. There's a sound hole. Hello! Did you hear that? Hello! And that's what makes the ukulele sound so fantastic because it puts the sound out there so everybody can hear it. Does anyone know what this part is called right here? We have one. A giraffe has one. It's the neck. This part of the ukulele is the neck, and this is really important because this is where you put your fingers to play all the different chords. And this part right here is the head, just like we have. Hey, head, head, neck, neck. Wow, look at that. And these right here are called the frets. And the different frets let us play the different notes. So we are going to play Row, Row, Row Your Boat today. So the frets go 1, 2, 3. And when you're playing the ukulele, you're going to use your fingers, and your fingers are 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to take my 3rd finger and I'm going to put it on the 3rd fret at the bottom. Does anybody remember what key there or what note that would be? Let's see. Good children eat apples. So I'm playing A right now. And we're going to do Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Are you ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Look at that. I took my ukulele out of the ukulele box. I unpackaged it. I put the tuner on. I found where C chord was. And remember, if you need to look for what C chord is, you can look in the book. I put my 3rd finger on C and I can already play a song. Ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, you want to make sure you go on our website and request the ukulele kits for you and your friends. Have a great day. Bye.